Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Marivic Baltazar. I am 40 years old, currently living in the Philippines. I am married with one daughter. I have a bachelor's degree and Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Economics and Management and took up professional education courses and also have a master's degree in education, major in teaching. I have been working as teacher for 10 years in elementary grade level here in the Philippines. I am trustworthy, hardworking, God-fearing, patient, pet lover, quick learner, and multitasker. I can do household chores and I really love to cook. And I am very passionate with my work. And if you would choose me, I will do my very best to do my duty, and I am looking forward to be part of your company. Thank you so much and God bless.